Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. I am so excited because today I am with Kerry with Providence.
Hi.
And we are in Woodland Park here in Nocatee, and we are going to be walking through a quick move-in home that they currently have available. So Kerry, please tell us where we're at today.
Absolutely. So we are in Providence Homes townhome community here in Nocatee, and we are going to tour through our Birch floor plan today, and I think you'll really love it.
Wonderful. All right, take us in, car. One thing I do want to say is we are surrounded by preservation right now. This is a two-car garage townhome, which is very unique, and I love these very tall doors that we're currently walking into.
Yeah, so all the doors on the first floor are 8 feet. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath at 1845 square feet.
Wow. I love how you walk into this very large open concept. Very large kitchen with tons of cabinetry.
Lots of storage.
Yes.
For sure. And this one has the platinum package in it.
Ooh. Large island. You could probably fit at least 4 to 5 chairs here.
Yep, and a very spacious pantry.
Nice.
And then you'll see that we back up here to the conservation.
Okay, and Carlene just walked through really quick. I just want to pan from this angle. This is a very wide area in between both the cooktop and the sink.
And now this patio is 17 feet, and we are backing up to the conservation here. Wow. Lots of space out here.
This is probably one of the largest patios I've seen in a townhome before.
Yeah.
This is wonderful, and it is so peaceful and quiet. Carlene, I just want to take a moment of silence as you step outside. Wow. And with the sliders open, it truly does give a really indoor-outdoor feel, which really is what Nocatee is all about.
Absolutely.
It's that outdoor living. So yeah.
I could picture a little dining table out there having dinners on the patio. And then let's check out this powder bath here on the first floor. All guests can use this instead of going upstairs into your private space.
That's nice.
And now let's go check out upstairs.
Okay. This is such a great entertaining area, and I love that all the bedrooms are upstairs.
Yeah.
Because you could really have your family and friends down here just hanging out, maybe having a dinner party, and then all the living is actually upstairs.
Now up here you'll have the owner's suite and the 2 secondaries. The owner's suite is going to be here to your left, Carling.
Now, one thing that I want to say is that Woodland Park is so close to Valley Ridge Academy. It's, what did you say, 0.4 miles?
0.4 miles
so
away.
Very, very close. There's actually a walking path right to it. So if you have kids that are going there, this would be a great neighborhood for you.
And this is a very spacious laundry room.
Awesome.
Which is awesome in a townhome.
Mm-hmm. Very rare to find. Very unique. And then you're also less than a mile away from Nice. So even if you have kids that are going to Nice, very close to that as well.
And we'll have 3 grocery stores, Publix, that you can get to quickly from this location as well. And very close to Jacksonville. So if you need to go to Jacksonville, you have quick access.
Yeah, being right off Palm Valley Road, you could really get to US 1 so quick, St. Augustine really quick, Jacksonville. So yeah, it's in a great location.
It really is.
I love this view right off of the owner's retreat. This is great. Big size bedroom.
And then here we have the owner's bath, which is pretty darn spacious.
Love the 2 sinks. Oh, this is so large. I love that there's windows all throughout.
Lots of natural lighting for sure.
And a very large closet too for this townhome. Wonderful. Take a quick look at that view. And you're right by the mailboxes, which I think is such a bonus too. And by the walking path. So that is great. Again, that would be the path that you would take to get to Valley Ridge. Okay, Kerry. So remind us again where we are at and how they can contact you.
We are in Woodland Park here in Nocatee. And we'll have 12 individual buildings, 65 units total. And it's maintenance-free living. So if you have any questions or want more details, just contact me at 904-403-6847.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Kerry. This is a beautiful, amazing quick move-in townhome that they have here in Woodland Park in Nocatee. So you definitely want to come and see Kerry here and look at this beautiful home. We hope you are having a great day, and thanks for seeing us today.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.